Welcome back to the free airdrop factory. In this video, I will show you how to claim 100 million Bitcoin for free. The Telegram link is in the video description below. Just join this Telegram channel. After joining this free airdrop factory channel, click on this link of Bitcoin. Click on Start. Click on Join Airdrop. The task is very simple. We just need to join their Telegram channel, group, and have to follow their Twitter. Just click on Telegram channel and join it. Go back and click on Telegram group and join it. Go back and click on Twitter. And follow it. Go back and click on Submit Details. Submit your Telegram username. Submit your Twitter profile link. Submit Binance Smart Chain address. Congratulations, you have received 100 million Bitcoin for completing airdrop tasks. We can also check our balance from here. You can see that 100 million Bitcoins have been successfully added to my balance. Now you can check this page and withdraw your balance after March 30th. Thanks for watching.